everybody, happy fall. Thanks for coming back to the channel. This month I'm going to combine two. We're going to do Sephora Play and Birchbox head to head to see who has the best October box, and we'll get into these boxes and see what's in here. All right, oh, it's a pretty box for fall. Pretty. While we're doing it, let's go ahead and get Sephora Play out. Sephora Play is so much easier to open. Okay, it's open, we're ready. Shall we start with Birchbox? All right, what's in here? Turn over a new leaf. So let's, oh, it's a tiny little box. Not a lot of goodies, but we'll get to it. All right, I have the Amika Vault Color Lock Leave-In Conditioner. It's a pretty good size. It's an ounce, it's a full ounce, but it feels like a good trial size. It says, Vault Color Lock Leave-In Conditioner, full size is $25. Maintain your hair's hue with this color protecting leave-in conditioning spray formulated with UV filters and antioxidants. Spritz throughout damp strands, then style as desired. I will for sure be doing that. That sounds awesome. I have a Eyeco. I've been wanting to try this brand. I've seen a lot of people talking about it. The Skinny Liquid Eyeliner, $22 when it's full size. Whether you want to achieve subtle and defined line or a more advanced cat eye, this liquid eyeliner gives you the most precise line thanks to an easy hold pen tip. Well, let's see if that's true. Well, it felt very true. Did you see how easy that was? That's very nice. I am not great with eyeliners that are liquid, but we'll try this. I have Winky Luxe, yay, Strobing Balm Cream Highlighter. Very cool. All right. It says, enhance your favorite features with this glow boosting balm that imparts a soft sheen. Apply to your Cupid's bow, your cheeks, or down the bridge of your nose with fingers or a sponge. $16 full size. All right, well, let's put it on my Cupid's bow. I don't know that that's somewhere I particularly want to be shiny. Let's just swatch it and go from there. It's very, very creamy, which is amazing because it's a pretty cool day here. So it's not like it's warm in the house. It's got great shine to it. I like the feel of, this is my first Winky Luxe. I know it's really popular, but this is my first one, so I'm very excited about this. All right, I have a Malin and Goetz Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. Who doesn't need a face moisturizer this time of year? The Malin and Goetz, filled with the vitamin E and hyaluronic acid, this lightweight oil-free moisturizer gently hydrates without clogging pores. Use in the morning alone or before makeup. That's a nice size too. It's a half a fluid ounce, but it feels full. You know how sometimes you can see through them? It's like, it's a good one. And last but not least, what is this? Soap. I have soap. It is Sumbody, S-U-M body. Body soap. Full size is $17.85. Is it this big? I mean, I buy Lush soaps and don't spend that much. Anyway, not the point. $17.85. This natural body soap is infused with botanical oils that leave skin silky smooth. Lather up in the shower and rinse thoroughly. It's ideal for sensitive skin. Lather up and rinse thoroughly. Soap rules. Know them. It smells lovely. It says it's coconut oil, palm oil, olive oil, castor oil, safflower oil, oat milk, some, as in the brand some, essential oil blend. It smells like lavender to me. It's adorable. I'll try it. Okay, that's our Birchbox. So we have the Amika, the Eyeco, the Winky Luxe, the Malin and Goetz, and the soap. I'm happy with this because I'm happy to try another liner. I'm always willing to try until someday I get good at it. I just know it's going to happen. The Winky Luxe, very happy to try this. And I love a leave-in conditioner. So, yay Birchbox. Moving on to Sephora Play. Let's see what they've got this month. I have no idea. We have, oh, there's my $50 adorable with a pumpkin on it. Not $50. 50 Beauty Insider extra points. Not So Grumpy Cat. What in the world? I should open this. Last minute looks for Halloween. I'm a little interested now as to what's in this box. I don't usually dress this up for Halloween. But let's say it says light of the party. Step 1, use a primer. So it's just telling you how to do. Like if you want to do the Not So Grumpy Cat. Hey, it's probably going to give me something clever I could actually do with the nice eyeliner from my Birchbox. I probably could do kitty whiskers. Anyway, yeah. Okay, so Halloween ideas. And on the back, it has what's in my box. So, they stuck with the Ziploc bag theory. You've heard enough people's opinions. You don't need me to pile on. Excuse the noise for a sec. Dumped it out. All right, I have an all-nighter long-lasting makeup setting spray from Urban Decay. That's very cool. I do like a setting spray. I do. It's a nice size, probably an ounce if I were guessing. Makeup setting spray, long-lasting, temperature-controlled, technology, oil-free, paraben-free. It's half a fluid ounce. Well, who doesn't need a spritz? I'm freshly made up like 10 minutes ago. I tried a new foundation. It's one of the Cover FX sticks, and it's a lot of coverage. Actually, it does feel pretty good, but might have used a little too much. Well, that does feel nice. Check. Like it. We'll see how it does if it irritates my face, because, you know, I do tend to be crazy sensitive. But it says it is Mystical Power. Mystical Powers. A weightless setting spray that keeps makeup in place for up to 16 hours. I cannot even begin to tell you the last time I wore makeup for 16 hours, but I'm ready next time it comes up. All right, let's see what else is in here. I have a GimMe Brow. Oh, it's a tiny little GimMe Brow in number 3. I think I've bought number 3, but I'm not sure if I bought it for me and my daughter. Let's see what color it is. Oh my goodness. Look how cute he is. So cute. Okay. Let's get in here. Oh, look. I can't tell you. I'm so thrilled with these little Barbie-sized things. Let's see if we can get any. It's hard to get color on, but it's a nice brown. Actually, that might be really close to useful for me. Well, that's adorable. Love it. All right. So that's 2 good products from Sephora. Having a good month here. Birchbox was good. Sephora Play is rocking. Oh, let's see what it says about that. In one gel swoop, Benefit GimMe Brow and Volumizing Eyebrow Gel in number 3 medium is a tinted brow gel that creates natural looking fullness and definition. I like natural looking fullness and definition. I have very thin eyebrows that I have to deal with. Oop, I cheated the next product. Oh, it's in glass. Who doesn't love that? It's classy. Caudalíe Vinoperfect Serum Eclat. Okay. Let there be bright. Bright is fun. That is that. An oil-free radiance boosting serum that visibly evens skin tone. That's very interesting. I will definitely be trying that. Everybody needs even skin tone as you get older. I have some, I don't know if you can see, probably you can. Actually, I was over at my daughter's house watching my grandchildren, and they had never seen any of my videos, so they wanted to watch one. And the oldest, being 10, of course, knows how to get it up on the television, and I could see myself 65 inches. It's a very humbling experience. So, I need more serum. I digress. Okay, also in the box, I have the, coconut water cream. Helps hydrate, smooth, and recharge. That is very cool. It's by Fab. I think that's Fab, right? It's tiny. Yeah, it's Fab. It says, Fresh Face Oasis. It is an oil-free, lightweight moisturizer that replenishes skin with coconut water. Very interesting. And it is definitely a face cream. Oh, I should tell you, it is 0.34 ounces. Oh, I didn't tell you how much was in this Caudalíe. It seems like a big thing too. It's 0.33 ounces. This, I guess they do look about the same size, but in real life, this feels bigger. Not that it matters. All right, next one I have, let's see. Ooh, an Anastasia product. Anastasia. It is Highlight of the Night, Anastasia Beverly Hills, a pale yellow, light to full stick coverage foundation stick with demi matte finish. Interesting. Foundation. Well, let's see what's, I don't think this is foundation. Wait a minute, is it really foundation? I don't think I understand this. It says a pale yellow, light to full coverage foundation. Who is this gonna foundation? I mean, granted, you might be looking at the girl that's gonna foundation, but okay, there's no way to know but to do it. I mean, in all fairness, I might can use that. It feels very nice, but I wanted to say concealer or something. I wish I had a free spot on my face. I'm getting hot. I don't. I'll only make it worse. I will try this out. I will get back to you. We will talk about it. I actually have one more product. Oh, it's a perfume. The Kat Von D Eau de Parfum. A Tale of Two Scents. The fragrance duo shows opposites attract. Saint is dreamy and alluring, while Sinner is dark and empowering. So I have two in here. All right, let's see what we've got. It opens up nicely. And I guess we have, I'm gonna guess, Saint and Sinner. These. Saint and Sinner. Let's see if we can smell them without the commitment of an all-day smell. Don't think it's gonna happen. I actually, oh. Well, it might smell a little bit anyway. It seems to have leaked on my hand, but. So my camera just quit. I don't know if that means I've been prattling on too long or if something went amok, but here's hoping I have that entire video I just made. I'm gonna press on like it's there for me. Anyway, back to the center. I really hope I have this video. All right. Other side? Okay, other side. I like it. I like them both on the paper very much. They have this, they have very different smells. The Saint is sweeter and this seems obvious. The Saint is sweeter and lighter. And the Sinner is a mustier. Here, let's see what they say. They say it is dreamy, romantic, alluring. I agree, that's the Saint. And that the Sinner is dark, sultry, and empowering. I agree. I like them very much. Very cool. All right, I'm putting on Saint. Woo, very nice. Okay, I do believe it's only gonna take one shot though. I'm not one of those big perfume people, so. Okay, so, end of the box. Sephora Play. We have the Urban Decay All Nighter, the Fab Coconut Moisturizer. I should smear that. You guys didn't get to see. Hold on just a second. The Fab Coconut Moisturizer, which is, oh, it's almost clear. I'll put it right there. Let's move it over to here. See how it's almost like clear? Goes on, it's just wet. It's very light moisture. It actually might be nice for moisture layering because sometimes I get so dry in the winter that I actually like moisturize, wait for that to absorb, and then moisturize again. This might be a good first layer if it's, my hands feel very nice. Okay, I got the Caudalíe Vinoperfect, the two Kat Von D scents, which are very nice, the Anastasia Stick Foundation, question mark, and the GimMe Brow. So that's also a good box. I don't know. Birchbox versus, this is a hard month. Last month or month before last, I could have been like, oh, X1 or Y1. These are both great boxes. If somebody rushed in right now and said, okay, you can only keep one, I would probably keep, I can't pick. It's a good month. They both win. It's a tie. You see what's in them. So if you were to get them, you know what would work best for you. But there are 2 or 3 things in each. I'm anxious to try the Caudalíe. I love a good setting spray. This moisturizer felt nice. But in the other box, I love a leave-in spray. The Winky Luxe highlighter is so cute. This eyeliner went on really nicely. This darling little soap to, you know, wash my little hand with. Tough call. Calling it a tie. I can. It's my video. Tell me what you think below. Who do you think won? Yeah, tell me what you think. Thanks for coming by, guys. See you next time. Happy fall.